Hey guys, it's Lulu and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very exciting one for me because I'm going to be doing like a little review, unboxing, and try on of a new bag that I got. So I don't think like I'm a material person slash material girl by any means, but recently, I don't know, I kind of wanted to splurge and treat myself on a nice bag because I've never owned one in my life, and now that I have a job and I'm making a decent amount of money thanks software engineering, I decided to just like YOLO and get one. So I was looking through a few brands, like of course Louis Vuitton, like Dior, Celine, just a bunch of brands, but there's only been one bag that caught my eye, which is the Prada bag, the 2005 re-edition one in the saffiano leather. So that's the bag I decided to get. So I was actually pretty torn between a few color choices that they had. So the purple one, wisteria, there was a pale blue one that came out, black of course is the classic one, and there's another water lily color that I also thought was really pretty because it was pinky. But in the end I decided to go with the purple or wisteria color just because I thought it was the most unique, and it was just really, I was just really drawn to it, so I decided to get it. So I actually was looking at the bag for a while and I kind of held off on buying until I went to the Prada store at the mall and I tried on the bag, and I was just like, ooh, this is very, very nice. I really like it a lot and I kind of fell in love with it, and you know, a few days after I decided to just bite the bullet and get the bag. So I actually had a little bit of trouble deciding between the colors still because the one I tried on in store was actually a pale blue color. I'll insert pictures somewhere in this video of me trying them on because they didn't have the wisteria color in Valley Fair, which is the mall near me. I was just like a little hesitant about it because I noticed that the colors online were really different than the bags IRL. I watched like a ton of YouTube videos of other girls with this bag, and I noticed that like, especially with like the water lily bag, it looks a lot more beige online, but in real life it's like super pinky. So I was a little bit worried about how it would look in person, and same with the pale blue. Online the pale blue looks a lot darker than it does in person, so I was a bit worried, but in the end I was just like, YOLO, I'm gonna get it. If I don't like it, I'll return it or exchange it because they had a really good return policy. So yeah, and I ended up loving it. So of course, without further ado, I will show you guys the bag. Yeah, so again, I ordered the bag online and I had it shipped to my house instead of a store just because I thought it would be easier and like more convenient because it would be shipped right to me, and everything was very discreet and you couldn't really tell it was like a Prada bag, so nobody would steal it. And you also had to sign the USPS or the UPS when they delivered it. So it came in a big box, and the bag came in a beautiful Prada bag, and inside it came inside of the dust bag, and there was another dust bag for the strap as well. And they also gave me like a receipt with a return shipping label in case I didn't want it anymore. And yeah, it's also in this cute little Prada envelope, and of course it came with the certification stuff and I don't know, more stuff. So they gave me a card that is like, this is a real bag. Also, the bag came attached with this thingy where it's like, please note we will only accept returns if this label remains attached to the product. And then I kind of just cut that off after thinking about it. I was like, yeah, I'm not returning this. I'm in love with it too much. And of course there's like little inserts in the bag. I don't know why I kept that, but yeah, it all came packaged in this Prada bag with a cute little ribbon tied to it too. And now I will show you the actual bag. I kind of just tossed the other bag aside. So this is what she looks like. Oh, beautiful. And you can see the Prada logo, the little chain, the other little side tassel thingy that says re-edition 2005, and of course the little overall strap that goes with the bag. So adorable. Let me just casually hang it right here, but I'll show you guys what it looks like on me, and I'll also show you what I have stored in this bag. So this pouch is really nice. There's a little button clasp so it doesn't go flying around everywhere, and so in love with this color. It's so beautiful. It's like a purpley, almost blue color, but so pretty. I love it so much. I'll show you guys what I hold in this bag. I typically don't bring a lot of stuff with me when I go out, just like the basics. So I will show you. Of course, I have my wallet in here. This is just like a Tory Burch one that my sister got me. It's also saffiano leather, which is funny because it actually matches this. So unintentionally matching. Of course, my car keys, my lanyard, League of Legends lanyard in there. Tissues, pocket tissues are a huge must for me in any bag that I bring because I have allergies. And the worst thing about allergies is when you have a runny nose and there's no tissues nearby and your snot is just like slowly dripping down your nose, trickling. Feels horrible moments, so I have to have a Kleenex in every bag that I own. Yes, very TMI, I know. My mask, this is not my mask, this is actually a pad, so I always like to put one of these in my bag just in case something happens and I get my period suddenly or something, or just in case somebody else needs one, so have one of those bad boys in there. This is my mask, of course, COVID. Got my little KFN4 whatever mask. And last thing I have in here is a little hand sanitizer, of course, for COVID too. And actually, I'm not really putting anything in the pouch right now just because nothing I own really fits in here. I tried putting this hand sanitizer in, a little too large. Same with my keys. Same with the pad, actually. But what does fit in here, oof, is a little lip balm. I usually don't carry around like lip products or makeup with me just because, I don't know, touching up makeup, I'm just like whatever. And this fits in here, so I'll show you. Little pouch. She's in there. Zips up nicely. But yeah, so adorable. I love this bag so much. I thought I'd have trouble like pairing it with outfits, but it's decently neutral and I've definitely been wearing outfits around her, so yeah. Next, I'll show you guys a few ways I style this outfit. And for reference, I'm 5'6" and this bag fits pretty nicely because you can readjust this little strappy things. Okay, so here's what the bag looks like. This outfit, you can't really see the shoes that I'm wearing, but I have my bag. It's fully extended right now, and for reference, I'm 5'6". Let me move the camera down a little so you can see what it looks like better. It's fully extended on me. I probably wouldn't wear it so low. It'd probably be more like this. Just a little bit more like this, a little closer, and yeah, so adorable, super cute. Just kind of running errands every day. I didn't really want to wear my shoes in the house, but I would pair them with these Nike Air Force Ones I have because there's a little bit of purple, adds a little pop of color to this rather plain outfit. So yeah, let me see if I can get in the shot with the shoes on. And I have a buffer underneath the shoes because shoes inside the house as an Asian household, big no-no. Struggle. I'm on the struggle bus. Okay, there we go. You can kind of see the shoe. But go. Me jumping forward on this cardboard. Okay, you get the gist of it. So cute. Okay, so here is another look, but this time I wanted to make it a little more fancy, like a night out or going on a date or just chilling with the homies and stuff. But with the strap off so you can see what that looks like. So here is there. It's actually a really good distance between my armpit and the bag, so it's not like all up in there, which is really nice. Super cute. Here's the bag again with me for reference on my left arm too. Really adorable. And for this outfit, I would wear it with my Dr. Martens just because I feel like this outfit right now is really girly, really feminine, and I need something to edge it up. So Doc Martens, and let me show you what that looks like. Okay, I'm just gonna, this cardboard box is done for, but I just want to like space my legs a little bit more so it's not like I'm a popsicle standing here because there's not a lot of space. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Bag, shoes. And let me take my shoes off and I'll go towards you guys so you can see again a close-up of what she looks like. So cute. Aww. So that concludes the try-on / video about my new Prada saffiano leather re-edition bag in Wisteria. So beautiful, love it so much. I'm very blessed and lucky that I was able to afford it with my own money, and I will definitely cherish her. She's so beautiful and I can't wait to wear her out everywhere. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about the bag or I don't know, anything, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe because why not? And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Thank you.